So L-Citrulline is an amino acid naturally produced in our body and is also found in certain food like watermelon. L-Citrulline indirectly increases the nitric oxide production in our body, which nitric oxide in turn improves the blood flow to penis, giving you a stronger erection. L-arginine has a similar effect in our body, and I have talked about the importance of L-arginine for ED. So watch my L-arginine video. So L-Citrulline gets converted to L-arginine in our kidney and produces more nitric oxide in our kidneys. Unlike L-arginine, L-Citrulline bypasses the GI enzymes and liver enzyme, thus more bioavailability for the kidney and more nitric oxide production in the kidneys. So L-Citrulline has a similar effect like L-arginine but is absorbed better from the GI and produces more nitric oxide in the kidneys. So L-Citrulline, an amino acid, is good for men suffering from mild symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Now if you are suffering from moderate to severe symptom of erectile dysfunction, there are excellent medication that I have talked about in the past called Cialis, Viagra, which is considered safe and effective for treating moderate to severe erectile dysfunction. But even when you are on this ED medication, when you take L-Citrulline, it gives you the synergetic improvement in the symptoms of erectile dysfunction and thus giving you stronger, longer lasting erection. So try to, if you are suffering from erectile dysfunction, try to incorporate L-Citrulline in your daily supplement diet. 5 benefits of L-Citrulline. L-Citrulline may improve the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. It may improve cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure and improves blood flow, boosts immunity and enhances the brain function and cognition.